what you can do, one of the first things that people can do is research something called homeopathic nosodes. Okay. A nosode is the actual, just like we give a vaccine of what the disease is for dogs, they make it parvo, leptospirosis, these different things. When they give a vaccination, that vaccination is supposed to contain um, that exact disease, but they put so many other things into the vaccines. Why we would ever need to do that is
Yeah.
beyond comprehension. But there are heavy metals. There are all these different things.
Disgusting.
If an animal is vaccinated from a puppy, they really, in general, only need that first vaccination. If they get a regular vaccination, it can last years and years and years to prevent the actual disease, or decrease the chance of it occurring.
Yeah.
Homeopathic nosodes are the exact disease without anything added to it.
Wow. Okay.
So you can also run what are called titers, and you have to search for a vet that will do it. And that will go in and measure the antibodies in the body that are already there. That
Wow.
normally is what a vaccine is supposed to do, is keep these antibodies up, but we vaccinate like we give out aspirin. I mean,
Yeah.
if the animal doesn't need it, if it's got the antibodies already, and a titer, which really, I don't want to quote prices, but in general can be less than a vaccine to measure those antibodies. And that's
Right.
all that's needed to prove that the animal doesn't need a vaccine. So it's just having this awareness.
Yeah.
And then if you have the paperwork that proves you had the titer done, the antibodies are there, that eliminates the need for the vaccine. Now, some states, you have to look at the legislation where you are and the county.
Yeah.
But there
You,
are places that a lot of people don't know you can go the titer route or
I
the
didn't
no
know
route.
that. Yeah. This was news to me. Yeah. Now, the homeopathic nosodes, you said. Now, would you have to go to a holistic vet to be able to get those? How does that work?
Yes, you need to go to a homeopathic vet.
Okay.
We also do these at Happy Tails.
Oh, excellent. Okay.
Yes, we do the nosodes, we do the heartworm prevention. It's the same thing. You take the Diafilaria immitis. That's what the heartworm name is. And we give that in a nosode. So with a
Wow.
homeopathic homeopathic, not a holistic, a homeopathic vet.
Okay.
There's a
Okay.
big
Now, could you?
difference.
Yeah. Well, that. Yeah. Why don't? Yeah. Why don't we explain the difference between homeopathic and holistic, Debbie? Since we're on that topic, because
Sure. Okay, so homeopathic uses frequency. Homeopathics, and most people know a homeopathic when they see it. They're the little white pellets that come in bottles from the health food store. Okay. Holistic can include homeopathic, but holistic typically means you're looking at the whole, hence holistic. You're looking at the whole process. You're looking at the whole of an animal. You're looking at the whole of a healing modality. But again, homeopathic is a field all unto itself, using only frequency medicine to treat or to prevent.